Here are 10 Walmart organization finds. First up, this basket is amazing for storing so many different things around your home, from toys, blankets, and so much more. This 3-part divided basket is awesome for your bathroom and just putting random things in here, from tissue, Kleenex, whatever you like, right over your toilet. And you can use this lightweight laundry bin for miscellaneous things in your laundry room. I'm using it for dryer balls. And I like this large laundry caddy for storing things that I really don't feel like repackaging, but it still makes the laundry room look really nice and clean. Or I can keep it in a cabinet and pull it all down when needed. And this white caddy is really huge. So it's really great for when you need to take things from room to room. In our case, we're using it for cleaning supplies to clean our bathrooms and go from bathroom to bathroom. But you can use it for so many different random things. And this 3-tier ceramic organizer is really nice for organizing things around your bathroom. It uses your vertical space, which is awesome. And it's beautiful. Now, this glass canister is one of my favorite finds from Walmart. It is huge. So this looks really nice for storing random things around your home. Next up is this headband organizer, and then also some organizers for deep drawers. This one I'm using for my hair drawer, so you can see me putting my hair scarves and my hair clips in this. And I also like this last organizer that has removable dividers in it. You can use these for things around your office, or in my case, I'm using it for my hair drawer. You can find all these items linked or in my Walmart storefront. Make sure to follow for more.